With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Good evening. Here we have a question where two cards are drawn successfully one by one without replacement from the pack of cards, the mean of the number of kings. Here we have to find out the mean of number of kings, in which option is given 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, and 4 by 13. So let's have a IU solution. Okay. So let the x denote the number of kings drawn from the pack of cards from two cards. Okay, so x is a random variable, so we can take the value as 0, 1 or 2. Okay, so here it is, our assumed value is 0, 1 or 2 because x is a random variable. Now for the case 1, given p where x is equals to 0, which means that no king is drawn. Okay, so the probability can be written as 48c2 by 52c2, which can be written as 48 factorial by 2 factorial, 48 minus 2 whole factorial by 52 factorial with 2 factorial into 52 minus 2 factorial, in which we get the value as 48 into 47 by 52 into 51. Okay, so now multiplying it, the value of 48 into 47 we get as 48 into 47 we get as the value is 2256. Now again multiplying with 52 into 51 we get as 2652. Again cancelling it with 12, 188 ja, and again it 12 by 221. Okay, so this is our the case 1 where no king is drawn. Now when p x is equals to 1, which means that one king or none one king. Okay, so 4c1 into 48c1 by 52c2. Okay, 4 into 48 into 2 by 52 into 51, we get it as 2652. Now again multiplying 48 into 8 ja, 48 into 8 we get as 384. Now again dividing it by 12, 384 dividing by 12 we get as 32. Okay, and again by 12, 2652 by 12 we get 221, counting it by cancelling it for 12. Okay, so this is our the value of when p is x is equals to 1. Now the third case, p x is equals to 2, which means with 2 kings only, with the 2 kings. Okay, so 4c2 by 52c2, that is equals to 4 into 3 by 52 into 51, that is equals to 12, and 2652, 12 12 ja 1 and 12 1 2 2 1. Okay, now finding out the mean Now from this value we can make the chart x and p. X is equals to x. Okay, for the case 0, sorry, for case 0, yes, for case 1 and for case 2. For case 1 we get the probability is 2 to 1 by 1, 2 to 1. Okay, for case 1 we get the probability as 32 by 21, and for the case 1 0 we get the probability as 188 by 221. So now in the chart we can see that x value is 0, 1 and 2. Probability for 0 we get as 188 by 221, for 1 we get as 32 by 221, and for 2 we get as 1 by 221. Okay, so for now we have to find out the mean. Now we have to find out the mean. Mean is equals to x bar, which is equals to summation of xp. Okay, now multiplying 0 into 188 by 221 plus 1 into 32 by 221 plus 2 into 1 by 221. Okay, that is 0 plus 32 by 221 plus 2 by 221. Okay, we get 34 by 221. Now dividing it by 17 we get 2 by 13. So here we can see that in the option given to us, option number B, the value is given to us 2 by 13. So this is our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.